Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can play Google Play games on your PC. So, on your Google Chrome, just browse through Google and search for something like Google Play Games Beta download for PC. Okay. Yesterday, I did a video tutorial on how you can install this successfully without any errors on your PC. So I'll drop that link in the description. You can go through that. Okay. PC download. Not only that, I'll also drop the link for you to download. See this link I'll drop. I'll copy this and I'll paste it on the description. Just check it. Once you download, you need to install. I'm not going to show you the installation procedure because I already did a video tutorial. Once it is successfully installed, search for Google Play Games Beta here. On the Windows search, Google Play Games Beta to open the app. See, when you double click on this, you'll open this. See, click on open. Open this Google Play Games Beta here. And see, if you observe, I downloaded Asphalt Legends Unite game from the Gameloft to my computer. When I click on this, I can play this game right on my computer PC. So on this, when you open this for the first time, it will ask you for you to sign in. You need to click on sign in and enter your email ID and password so that from now on you can download the games from the Google Play Store. Yeah, I'll quickly tell you the options. I'll just maximize the screen and see here, this is the home page and this is the library. When you click on the library, this is your library. All the previously downloaded games list will be shown here. These two games I downloaded on my PC through Google Play Games Beta, which are the Google Play games. And if you want to search any new game to download, you can use the search bar at the left. See here, you can click on this and search for your favorite game with the game name. Yeah, here you can search for your game, and once you choose any game to download, you need to tap on this. Right away you can click on this download link, or when you click on a particular game, you will find the downloading option there also.